What if you could live inside a vehicle so powerful, so armored, so absolutely unstoppable that no road, no storm, no extreme condition on Earth could slow you down? We're not talking about a regular motorhome. We're not talking about a lifted truck with some camping gear in the back. What you're looking at right now is the BMW ThunderBolt, an 8-wheeled armored motorhome that makes every other vehicle on the planet look ordinary. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now because we cover the most jaw-dropping extreme vehicles in the world, and trust me, it only gets wilder from here. The BMW ThunderBolt is not a concept, it's not a render, it's a real, rolling fortress built to conquer every terrain this planet has to offer while keeping you living in absolute luxury inside. Massive wheels, military-grade armor, a full motorhome interior. This beast exists at the intersection of raw power and refined comfort, and nothing else comes close to it. Forget every motorhome you've ever seen. This thing belongs in a different category entirely. Let's talk about the exterior first, because the moment you lay eyes on this machine, it stops you cold. The ThunderBolt is absolutely massive, a towering, wide-body titan finished in tactical matte black that commands every road it touches. The front fascia carries that unmistakable BMW identity with a bold grille flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that cut through darkness like a spotlight. The body panels are thick, angular, and deliberately aggressive. This isn't styling for styling's sake. Every surface is armored, reinforced, and built to withstand serious punishment. The vehicle sits high and proud on 6 enormous all-terrain tires, each one engineered to grip rocks, mud, snow, and gravel without flinching. Add the roof-mounted equipment rack, the reinforced side panels, and those commanding proportions, and you've got something that looks less like a vehicle and more like a statement. Now step inside, and this is where things get really impressive. The interior seating area is wrapped in premium dark upholstery with clean lines, ambient LED lighting running along the ceiling, and enough space to comfortably seat multiple passengers without feeling cramped. The benches are wide, cushioned, and positioned to give everyone a commanding view. The atmosphere inside feels more like a private jet lounge than a vehicle cabin. It's dim, it's moody, it's cool, the kind of space where you settle in and immediately forget you're moving. Move further into the motorhome and you hit the kitchen area. This is a full, functional kitchen built directly into the vehicle. Dark cabinetry, a clean countertop workspace, built-in appliances, and a compact sink. Everything is flush-fitted and perfectly integrated so nothing rattles, nothing shifts, and nothing feels like an afterthought. You can prepare a proper meal in here while driving through a snowstorm or parked on the edge of a mountain ridge. That's the ThunderBolt experience. Absolute normalcy in the most extreme situations. The bedroom is where the ThunderBolt truly separates itself from every overlanding or expedition vehicle you've ever seen. A full-sized bed sits low to the floor, dressed in clean, dark bedding with soft integrated lighting above and storage panels built into the walls around it. There's even a mirror mounted at the head of the room, giving the space a polished hotel suite finish. You close the door and the outside world completely disappears. No noise, no rough terrain, just pure, quiet comfort. The bathroom adds another level of civilization, compact, functional, and thoughtfully designed, so you never have to sacrifice hygiene no matter how remote your location. Now let's get into the cockpit, because driving the ThunderBolt is an experience of its own. The driver's seat puts you in front of a full BMW steering wheel, a multi-screen digital dashboard, and a center console loaded with toggle switches, terrain controls, and tactical-grade input panels. It looks like the command center of a high-tech military operation, and honestly, that's exactly what it is. Navigation, camera systems, power management, all of it is right there at your fingertips. The ergonomics are precise, the visibility is excellent, and the confidence you feel behind that wheel is unlike anything a regular vehicle can give you. Speaking of power, the ThunderBolt doesn't just look unstoppable, it is unstoppable. That 6-wheel drivetrain isn't decorative, it's a serious mechanical system engineered to deliver traction across every surface imaginable. We watched this machine push through deep snow with LED light bars blazing and not break stride. We saw it crawl over jagged boulders in a rocky mountain pass like they were speed bumps. Forest tracks, dirt roads, creek crossings, none of it phases the Thunderbolt. And thanks to its battery backup system, you maintain full electrical power to every onboard system, regardless of where you park it. This thing is functionally self-sufficient. The roof carries solar panels that feed directly into the vehicle's power grid, so off-grid living isn't just possible, it's seamless. Satellite communications add another layer of capability, meaning you stay connected even in the most remote corners of the world. This isn't camping, this is mobile infrastructure. But here's where it gets really crazy. Imagine taking this machine somewhere most vehicles wouldn't dare attempt. Picture yourself rolling through a dense Himalayan mountain trail, fresh snowfall blanketing the road ahead, temperature dropping well below zero outside. Inside the Thunderbolt, climate-controlled comfort. Your coffee is warm, your bed is made, the lights are dimmed to that perfect amber glow. Outside is a survival situation. Inside is a 5-star experience. That contrast, that absolute gap between the brutality outside and the refinement inside is exactly what makes the Thunderbolt unlike anything else ever built. No tent, no sleeping bag, no compromise, just you, the mountains, and a machine that never blinks. And let's not overlook the sheer psychological confidence this vehicle gives you. There's something that changes in your mindset when you're sitting behind the wheel of the Thunderbolt. You stop checking weather forecasts nervously. You stop worrying about road conditions. You stop second-guessing your route, because you already know, whatever's out there, this machine handles it. That armored body, those monster tires gripping the ground, that cockpit wrapped around you like a command center, it transforms every drive into a mission you know you're going to complete. That feeling, you simply cannot put a price on it. So, who is the BMW Thunderbolt actually built for? Think about the person who refuses to choose between adventure and luxury. The executive who wants to disappear into the wilderness without giving up a single comfort. The expedition team that needs a mobile command base that can handle any terrain and any weather. The off-road enthusiast who's outgrown every overlanding setup they've ever tried. The Thunderbolt is for the person who wants to drive into a blizzard, park on a mountain, sleep in a proper bed, cook breakfast, and then keep going, all without a single compromise. Here's the bottom line. The BMW ThunderBolt Armored Motorhome is in a class for itself. Military-grade armor, a full-loaded luxury interior, solar and satellite capability, a cockpit that rivals a fighter jet, and the kind of all-terrain performance that makes the word impassable irrelevant. This isn't a vehicle you buy because you need transportation. This is a vehicle you build your life around. It's the ultimate mobile fortress, and nothing else on the market even comes close. Now I want to hear from you. If you could take the BMW Thunderbolt anywhere in the world, where would your first destination be? Drop it in the comments below. I'm reading every single one. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this beast, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next extreme vehicle breakdown. The Thunderbolt is waiting. Where are you taking it?